Good morning. Just wanted to do a quick video explaining what you're supposed to do with the vocabulary. I was out yesterday and I've gotten several emails, so I think this might help speed it up. First of all, everything you need is in the PowerPoint or the explanation. Some of you went ahead and submitted, and some of them I'm going to unsubmit because they're not complete. You're welcome to put your name on this page, and then here is where you see the vocabulary. You have 6 words. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Don't pay attention to this right here because we aren't doing a warm-up. But I put the words here. That is your warm-up. I did it for you. What I'd like you to do on the next page, though, is to actually type the words. Okay, type them. Some of you are cutting and pasting, but part of typing is to learn how to spell the words. So type all the words here, all 6 words. Then you're going to go into your Frayer model. I'd like for this to be an image. Okay? It says you can also add an image, but I prefer that it be an image, and you can do examples. Is that the right one? It says this examples, hence synonyms. Yes, examples. The examples are should be an image, and then you're going to move into your last page, which is going to be the vocabulary practice. So you're going to do all 3 of these pages, plus you're going to do the 6 words. Make a Frayer model for each one. Hope this clears it up. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you.